Hey there, car enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a new realm of luxury with the ZEEKR 009 Grand. This isn't just another MPV, it's a game-changer in ultra-luxury travel, designed to elevate every journey. Ready to explore what makes this ride a true standout? Let's go. Imagine gliding down the road in a vehicle that commands attention with its dark badge gloss black grille, crafted with a 10,000 grit mirror finish. Yeah, you heard that right. This beauty isn't just polished, it's a masterpiece. And with 20-inch floating forged wheels, your ride is as smooth as it is stylish, but the luxury doesn't stop at the exterior. Step inside, and you're greeted by independent seats that redefine comfort, perfect for those long journeys where you want to relax in style. And for the tech lovers, get this, a private intelligent curtain wall featuring a 43-inch cloud smart screen, dual-use intelligent refrigerator, air conditioning, and even a foyer vase. Talk about traveling in style, huh? The ZEEKR 009 Grand isn't just about luxury, it's about the experience. Thanks to the Magic Carpet dual-chamber air suspension, you're guaranteed a ride that's smooth as butter, no matter the road conditions. The system adjusts in milliseconds, ensuring you're always cruising in comfort. Safety? Oh, they've got that covered too. With an ultra-advanced perception hardware system, LiDAR, radar, high-def cameras, you're not just driving, you're navigating with precision. And the NZP high-speed autonomous navigation assistance? It's like having a co-pilot that handles lane changes, ramps, and more, reducing driver fatigue and making those long trips a breeze. The ZEEKR 009 Grand isn't just another luxury MPV, it's a revolution in travel. With its stunning design, advanced tech, and unmatched comfort, this vehicle is set to transcend your expectations. So, are you ready to redefine your driving experience? Buckle up and let the ZEEKR 009 Grand take you on the journey of a lifetime.